In this video, I'll show you how to make a Discord server. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you love to make a Discord server, head over to your Discord, right? This is our Discord. So you're gonna just gradually scroll down. You're gonna see this plus icon, right? You're gonna see the add a server, click on it. Once I've clicked on it, you're gonna see create my own, right? So you're gonna see, okay, if you wanna create a gaming, a friend, a study group, right? You're gonna be given, I think, a template for it, right? So just click on create my own. You can just, let me say, for global community, you can just come on here and type in, let me say, sources, right? So yeah, let's say I want to make this server right now, so I'm gonna come on here. Let me see, I can just, can put, okay, I'll just leave it, I'll just leave the profile picture for now. I'll click on the create, right? So yeah, I'm gonna make this. So you can see I just made this Discord server, right? Sources. So this is basically how you can make a Discord server. Maybe in my next video I'm gonna walk you guys through how you can edit it properly, right? So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.